What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Percentages Trading. This is Martin for August 15th, 2019. So first stock we're going to talk about today is PVTL, Pivotal Software Inc. This stock was our top stock of the day today, closing out at 68.67%. News came out in the morning on PVTL saying that the company confirmed talks with VMware concerning the potential acquisition of the company for $15 per share in cash. So it's definitely good news for the company. You can see right here that most of the moves was in the post market yesterday, had the big surge up to about $14 or so, and then it pretty much just channeled the remainder of today. So hit highs of $14.40 in the pre-market, trailed down to about $13.40, and then kind of channeled in right here. Did not look like it was breaking those $14.40 resistance levels. So looking at the day chart, it does look extremely overbought, big gap up. So it will most likely be shorted or go back down a little bit, pull back a little bit, but we want to just keep our close eyes on PVTL. This is a shortable stock, so we could consider some shorting opportunities as well. We'll definitely want it to go lower than this $13.80. So once it goes below that mark, we'll go ahead and consider some entries on PVTL for shorting opportunities. Another stock we want to take a look at real quick is SINT. So SINT was popping out on the all over the alerts today. It was actually ended up hitting highs of $4.32, which was about 151% gain at that time at those highs. But you can see right here, after it was hitting those highs, it kind of trailed off. But we were hearing a lot of traders trading SINT today. So congratulations on those traders that were able to capture in those gains on SINT, because there was only a little bit of that high and then a big trail off for the rest of the day. You can see right here on the day chart, it's looking like it may want to continue to go back down a little bit to normal trading levels. So we'll definitely want to keep our eyes on SINT. If it does want to continue to get bullish, we'll want it to pass the $2.50 mark or so. And then we'll look for entries on SINT. And another stock we want to take a look at real quick is FCEL, Fuel Cell Energy Inc. So this stock started popping out in the midday. They came out with news saying that they announced $40 million in funding for 29 projects to advance their H2 at scale. So it's definitely good news for the company. You can see that it popped out and started hitting this 40 cents resistance, hitting highs about 0.398 cents, and then kind of trailed off. So did not proceed to break those previous highs on this little pull up, but looks like it trailed off for the remainder of the day. Looking at the day chart, it does not look like it made a big run up, so it definitely looks like there's plenty of room to grow. So we'll definitely want to keep our eyes on FCEL tomorrow and within the next couple of days. We'll set our alert right here about the 39-cent level. And then once it hits that mark, we'll consider some entries or take a look at the patterns to see if it looks good, to see if we can get into FCEL. And then another stock we want to take a look at real quick. Last stock is TROV. So TROV came out with news saying that they're planning on presenting their prostate cancer resistant drug at their new conference. At a new conference they're going to be going to in Melbourne, Australia. So it looks like news and a lot of volume started popping out with that news. So they hit highs about $1.88 and had a little bit of a pullback, reaching the support level about $1.60. TROV has been trailing down for quite some time now, and so looking at the chart and given the volume that was coming in, we'll want to keep our eyes closely on TROV. We'll want it to pass these $1.90 resistance, but we'll set alert at $1.80. And then once it hits that alert, we'll be notified and then consider some entries on TROV. So that's all I have for today. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment down below, whether it's feedback or if it's just to say hi. I'd really love to hear from you. And make sure you join us in the club room. We have live scanners from Trade Ideas and Equity Feed with live commentary Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern, 5 a.m. Pacific. You could also check out our YouTube channel. Just search for Percentages Trading. Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell to make sure you don't miss out on our daily post-market videos. We're also on Facebook, so make sure you like our like page and join our Facebook group, Percentages Trading Club. And last but not least, go to our Instagram at Percentages Trading and hit that follow button. So that's all I have for today. Good luck trading, traders, and remember, it's all about those percentages.